In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use embed blocks on Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. From your dashboard, head to the page or blog post where you'd like the embedded content to appear. Enter edit mode so you can work directly on the page layout. Next, add a spot for your embedded content. Click the add block icon to open the block picker, then search for and select the embed block. This places a placeholder on your page so you can configure what shows up. Once the block is in place, double-click it to open the embed editor. Inside the editor, you have two ways to add content. If the service you're embedding supports Embed, which many major platforms do, you can simply paste the public URL of the content into the URL field. Think of platforms like popular video hosts, social posts, or maps. When the link is supported, Squarespace will automatically pull in the correct preview. If you don't see a preview, double check that the link is public and copied directly from the contents page and give it a moment to load. If you've been given an embed code instead, such as an iframe or a small script from a third-party tool, switch to the code snippet option in the editor. Then click Embed Data and paste the full code into the text field exactly as provided. Make sure the code comes from a trusted source and uses secure HTTPS links to avoid browser warnings. Some services also offer responsive embed codes, which generally display better on mobile. When you're done, click outside the block editor to close it. Squarespace will render the embed right on the page so you can see how it looks in context with your other content. If it doesn't look quite right, open the block again to adjust the source URL or replace the code snippet. Small layout tweaks like moving the block up or down the page can also help the embedded element feel more integrated. Finally, take a moment to preview your changes before publishing. Use the built-in preview to check how the embed appears on desktop and mobile views, making sure nothing is cut off and that it loads as expected. This quick review helps catch sizing or alignment issues early so your visitors get a smooth experience. That's it. You've added an embed block, configured it with either a URL or custom code, and previewed the result to make sure it looks great.